The Voice of the People's Party spokesperson Batskhem Myrboh and a party delegation met with the chairman of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission R Marwein today to discuss various concerns regarding the commission's recruitment process. Following the meeting, Batskhem Myrboh told reporters that the VPP has urged upon the commission's chairman to review the demands of the party with regards to the recruitment process conducted through multiple examinations, including the recent Meghalaya Civil Services exam focusing on job opportunities, youth welfare and well-being.
Jingwan jadi delegation sa MPSC. Jadi habis bat kita baru ni lah tip ka habis bat ka exam ka MCS exam bat MPS exam. Ini wan kini ka por ban penduk you chairman. Request you ba persang ban tembet gini bat ban Pokoknya kan kompeti bet ke MCS buat bikin permit je kata ke jadi mak semua tu ki kena, okay, porokat kena kan syai ke. Dia kabedi bet ke MPS tu ni dah ong ba kumpukalong ke kumpulak tho MP hakap maki notification yang pi bag interview benda bandai 1:2.5 number. With candidate 2.5 number. R ni lai ban compete for one post. Hakajing school ni gitu kajing khot kita kandidat kom tu ka kom kapau kolong tang 1.6 kambiang tu tinggi kerpat iki ba pin consider dia kata kan namar ba itu ki kena ki ba do long kom ta mo ka kata sibun namar ba kala kandidat pala kapus kolong khadio teli dan regi khot tang ar penyomot haji syal piat tang 1:2 kala long do live sawut te kom ba ong lagi PSC do pasdang kadi 2.5 te jemut kan ba kham bun ya kata kemaron 42-43 Ini request ya ke chairman bon consider dia kata okey. Sang begitu kita beli kinum mau untuk kalau mentakan ke competition bejur te tong ada khanglat kum gitu ki kamtam ha bakalong syai ke jing tho jong ke notification jong ke MPSC bakin khot la ko 2.5 against one vacancy ke. Ni wan ngin le la jong ke bantah kata ke jing jadi jong chairman bat kibi organisation te kata ni la ban ni wanang ni ban super part amar kumu kalong ni di political party diberi ki request ni ban ni yarap ban ya keren lang ya ka Public Service Commission we have done that ini wanang ni ban request ki lu ada ki ve le kata kan lang ba ya mi ru mi kwa ya kata bagi ke kin bet bakon dan cu ni in future bikin bet ke dengi kum ki Ada parti ni wan ai kat kan suggestion chemuan tang ban chu produkti ni wan ru ban ai kat kan suggestion ke ban penbhai kat Public Service Commission.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of Management, Humanities, Social Sciences and Science and Technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.